Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. If your iPhone can't download apps from the App Store or downloads are stuck on waiting or loading, then don't worry. This is a common issue and it's usually very easy to fix. In this guide, I will show you several solutions to fix the problem step by step. Let's get started. Before anything else, make sure your internet connection is working properly. You can check this by opening Safari and loading a website. If you're on a Wi-Fi network, try switching to mobile data. Or turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds and turn it back off. Sometimes the issue is simply a weak or unstable connection. Next, let's make sure the App Store is properly enabled. For this, open the Settings app, go to Screen Time. Here, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then tap on iTunes and App Store Purchases. And make sure installing apps is set to allow. If it was set to don't allow, your iPhone won't download apps at all. If your iPhone storage is full, apps won't download. You can check this by opening the Settings app, tapping on General, and then tapping on iPhone storage. If you're out of space, delete unused apps, photos, or videos to free up space. Sometimes downloads fail because there's an issue with your payment method, even when you're downloading free apps. You can check this by opening the Settings app, tapping on your name at the top, and then tapping on Payment and Shipping. Just make sure your payment method is valid, your card hasn't expired, and there are no unpaid balances. If there's an unpaid balance, you will need to clear it before downloading apps. Restarting your iPhone can fix apps not downloading issue. This sounds simple, but it works surprisingly often. To do this, press and hold the side button and either the volume up or volume down buttons simultaneously. Slide to power off, wait 10 seconds and turn your device back on. Now try downloading the app again. If nothing else works, signing out of your Apple ID can fix account related glitches. Here's how you can do it. Open the Settings app, tap your name at the top, scroll down and tap on Sign Out. You might need to enter your password to confirm. Then sign back in and check the App Store again. This refreshes your connection with Apple's servers and often fixes download issues. Incorrect date and time settings can sometimes prevent downloads as well. To check this, open the Settings app, tap on General, then tap on Date and Time. Here, make sure the toggle for Set Automatically is turned on. And that's it. One of these methods should fix the issue and get your App Store downloading apps normally again. If this guide helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching.